Well, it's all about the upgrades. The 540 cubic inch is coming, and this Mopar factory diff is not going to hold up. I was thinking about putting a brace on the housing, but I decided Real needs to go to Florida. So let's get that factory housing out of there. Now we're going to be replacing the factory housing with a Moser's Muscle pack housing and axles, along with Richmond 430 gears, mounted into Yukon housing. And I'm going to use a Power Tracks Pro Grip lockup. And let's not forget about the bare 3-inch chromoly drive shaft and the Caltrac traction bars.
Moser housing, underground kings, Richmond gears, grinding wings, Mark Williams up all night, Billy Caps, hold it tight. Helical gears, twist the mind, Bell 3, chrome only fine, Power Tracks, Pro Grip, beast inside, ready for the U-joints, take the ride. Twist the mind, Bear 3, chrome only fine, Power Tracks, Pro Grip, beast inside, but 30 for the U-joints, take the ride. Cowboy racing, Caltrac steering, traction lock, no time for worry. On the hood, the chaos stirs, fuel the fire, feel it burn. Motor scream, a capture range, aluminum dreams, break the cage. Horsepower dreams in the dark, engine roars, ignite the spark. Ghosts of speed, haunt the way, beastly metal screams in play. Fractal minds in the glide, where the soul lead by.
He knows I'm filming him, that's why.